In today's video, I'll show you how to track goals and progress using Notion AI. To get started, I'm currently here in my Notion workspace on my library page. The first thing I'm going to do is navigate up to the top right corner of the screen and click on that bright blue New Page button. This instantly opens up a fresh blank canvas for us to work with. Now, instead of building everything from scratch, which can take a lot of time, I want to leverage the power of Notion AI. So down here in the Get Started With menu, I'll go ahead and click on the Ask AI option. This brings up a text box where I can tell the AI exactly what I need. I'm going to type in a specific prompt to get the best results. I'll ask it to create an outline for a project management system to track 5 major life and career goals. Break each goal into milestones and provide a template structure. Providing this level of detail ensures the AI understands my exact needs. Once I've got my prompt typed out, I'll just hit enter. Now we just sit back and let Notion AI do the heavy lifting. You can see the status indicators changing on screen as it works through the prompt, brainstorming, organizing, and structuring the content. It takes just a few moments to generate, but it's incredibly fast compared to typing all of this out manually. All right, and look at that. It has generated a completely detailed page titled Life and Career Goals Project Management System. To lock this in, I'll click the checkmark button right here at the top to keep the text. Let's take a quick scroll through what it built. We have a system overview, a breakdown of 5 major goals, ready-to-use goal templates, and milestones. Scrolling further down, it even included example milestone breakdowns and tracking templates for reviews. It organized everything perfectly, giving me a massive head start. And that's it. That's how you track goals and progress using Notion AI.